Number two, the overtaxation by this illegitimate regime is killing our businesses, impoverishing families, and damaging opportunities for investments. This must immediately stop for Kenya to economically recover. For this reason, Mr. Ruto must go. Three, the importation of genetically modified organisms, GMOs, by Ruto and company is a scheme to destroy the country's food basket and to make Kenyan slaves to the American multinationals while enriching his cronies. For this reason, Ruto must go. Four, the attempt by Kenya Kwanza regime to single-handedly reconstitute the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission by forming a William Ruto Electoral Commission is a reckless misadventure that is intended to wreck this country. The IEBC selection panel is a puppet of Ruto.